If you ever want to understand the depth of your power as a woman, don't watch what a man says when everything is comfortable. Watch what he does when he feels you slipping away. That moment, when he realizes your presence is no longer guaranteed, reveals everything he truly values. Not his compliments, not his promises, his behavior. Because men don't beg to marry women out of fear of being alone. They beg when they realize losing you would cost them something irreplaceable. And the women this happens to? They're rarely loud, rarely desperate, rarely chasing. They possess something far more magnetic. Let's talk about why. 1. You're peaceful, not perfect. Men don't crave perfection. They crave relief. The world demands strength from him every day: control, performance, pressure, competition, expectations. When he comes home to chaos, criticism, or emotional turbulence, his spirit tightens. But when he comes home to peace, he softens. A woman who brings emotional calm becomes a sanctuary, not because she ignores problems, but because she handles them without draining him. Peace is rare, peace is addictive, and peace is something a man will fight to keep. 2. You're feminine, not weak. Femininity isn't silence, it's grace under pressure. You don't raise your voice to be heard, you don't compete with his masculinity. You don't argue to win, you communicate to connect. There's strength in composure, power in softness with boundaries. And men don't dominate women like that, they respect them. Your calm confidence makes him feel safe, and safety makes men commit. 3. You respect yourself first. You don't chase affection, you don't beg for attention, you don't over-explain your worth. You move like a woman who knows that if someone walks away, it's their loss, not your collapse. That energy changes everything. Men don't protect what they pity, they protect what they respect, and self-respect is magnetic. 4. Your love has boundaries. You love deeply, but not blindly. You don't tolerate disrespect just to keep a relationship. You don't sacrifice your dignity to be chosen. You understand something many women forget. Unlimited access lowers value, because a man who knows he can lose you will stay consistent. A man who knows you'll stay no matter what relaxes. Boundaries don't push men away, they anchor the right ones. 5. You carry purpose, not desperation. You have a life beyond romance, dreams, goals, interests that existed before him. A woman with direction doesn't cling, she chooses, and men can feel that difference. Desperation says, I need you. Purpose says, I want you, but I'll be whole either way. That balance is intoxicating. 6. You inspire growth without forcing it. You don't nag him into becoming better. You don't shame him into improving. You evolve, and he feels the gap. Your discipline, mindset, self-respect, and consistency silently challenge him to rise, not out of pressure, but pride. Men commit to women who elevate their identity, not women who try to manage it. The truth most women never hear. Men beg to marry women who feel rare, not because they're flawless, but because they're grounded, centered, whole. You don't need to perform, you don't need to prove, you don't need to compete, you just need to be, fully, authentically, unapologetically, because the woman who knows her worth never has to ask to be chosen, she's already unforgettable. If this resonated with you, stay close. There's power in becoming the woman who never has to beg, because she's the one men fear losing. Subscribe, drop a comment, and stay sharp, because once you see the pattern, you never unsee it.